After 6 Cocktails, and today we're going to make the Kola Nut. So it's probably named after a nut, like a nut that comes from the cola tree. So my guess is that the color of the drink is similar to the color of the Kola Nut. It's not C-O-L-A, like as in Coca-Cola. It's K-O-L-A. We got some rum. I'm using Plantation 3-Star. Some benedictine. This stuff's weird. And some dry vermouth. This is the best dry vermouth. This is good vermouth. So you need the smallest amount of benedictine. Because benedictine is very intense. Which is a 1/4 ounce. And then 1/2 ounce of the dry vermouth. Not sweet vermouth. There are plenty of cocktails that call for sweet vermouth. This is dry vermouth. And then 1 ounce of rum. This is the only light rum that I have. Every other, I used up all my Bacardi, which is what I would actually normally use. And then stir. And strain into this glass with a big old ice cube, with a big old rock. And this is the Kola Nut. It's not bad. I think what might make the recipe even better, for me at least, it would be like a 1/4 ounce of orange juice. Yeah, that would make so much sense. But as is, it's not bad. Thank you all so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.